To use Google Meet as a Workspace admin, you'll need to configure Google Meet for your organization. To do this, go to admin.google.com, click Apps, click Google Workspace, then click Google Meet. Here you can adjust current Meet settings, which are divided into groups such as Meet Video Settings, Meet Safety Settings, and Gemini Settings. To adjust a setting, click the setting group to expand it. If there are settings that some users need but not others, you can group users into organizational units. This lets you turn services on and off and apply unique settings to users within these organizational units. To change service settings for an organizational unit, go to the Settings panel and select the organizational unit you want to adjust. On the right, click the Edit icon for the setting you want to change. Make your edits, then click Override. This will override any settings that were inherited from the parent organizational unit. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center.